this is an endless CNC. Many customers have questions that the max drilling thickness of the standard plate drilling machine can only reach to 200 millimeters. So, if I want to do the drilling process on the workpiece more than 200 millimeter thickness, how can do? Okay, today let me make an introduce of CNC deep hole drilling machine for customer who want to do the drilling on thick workpiece. Today the introduce will have three parts. The first part is the application, and the second part is the machine introduce, and the third part I will show you some of the working performance of the machine. Okay, let's start with the first part. So, who needs the deep hole drilling machine? Let's say this industry, the petroleum industry and the chemical industry, pharmaceutical industry, and the thermal power plants. All these industry have the same thing. It is the heat exchanger. And check this part. This part called tube sheet. This part will processing by our CNC drilling machine. And for this part, if too thick, we can choose the deep hole drilling machine. Okay, let's see the part 2, the machine introduced. I will give a detailed introduce of this part. This will have 4 parts of this. First is the machine structure. Let's see, this is the machine picture. We can see this is the overview. As next, we can see from this, this is a horizontal structure because the workpiece is very thick, and the horizontal structure is convenient for chips remove from the hole inside. You can see this part. The chips will remove from inside, so the horizontal structure will more easier to do that. Okay, next is the spindles. The machine have 2 spindles, and we can see this machine work at the spindle. 2 spindles can work at the same time. It is mean can save working time, and the efficiency is almost twice that of the single spindle machine. The spacing of the double spindles can be adjusted to meet different hole distance requirements. Okay, this is the work table. The work table is separated from the base, so the clamped workpiece is not affected by the vibration of the base. The casting accuracy of the table is more stable. You can see this is the clamping. This is a standard models of this kind of machine, and we have standard model with we can choose a different model by according the different size of workpiece, such as 2,500 millimeter and 3,500 millimeter, 400 millimeters, and 5,000 millimeters and 6,000 millimeters. We can see all this. We can see all these are standard models. Okay, next is the details show of the machine. First, the first picture is the lubrication system. The machine equipped with this automatic lubrication system. It can regular lubrication the parts that which parts need to do with the lubrications, and it can protect the machine parts when it is running, ensuring the stable operation of the machine and increasing the service life of each part. Regarding the control system, the machine adopts Fogel R8055 control system, equipped with electrical hand wheel, which is convenient for operation and management. The system can compensate the positioning accuracy of each exercise. so it can improving the positioning accuracy more. The operation is easy. Just input the drawing into the system and set the center position. The system can be automatically programmed. This will be greatly improve the working efficiency. Okay, the 3 is the automatic chips removal system. The machine also equipped with this device, and the metal chips are put into the chain chip removes through the chain channel. We can see this is the channel. The chips from this way to the remover. The next part is about the machine tools. This part, let me introduce the drilling tools. All these drilling tools we adopt the German Botico brand. We make sure the quality. We don't use any fake materials and fake brand, so you can take assured of our quality. The drilling tools made by cemented carbon. There are 2 types of tools can be used on the deep hole drilling machine: gun drilling tools and the BTA drilling tools. Okay, let's say this is a gun drilling tools. When it is working, I show you. This part is the workpiece, and this is a sealing. The cutting fluid will enter from the inside. It is mean from the back of the tooth inside, this way, and will with the chips together remove from the V shape, this way. So the cutting fluid will inside the drilling tooth, and with the chips together remove this way. Okay, these are some models of the gun drilling bits. The max drilling millimeter can reach to 26.5 millimeters. And the next, this is the BTA drilling. We can see this. This place is a workpiece, and the cutting fluid will put in from the outside, not inside the drilling bits. From outside, go to here, and with the chips together, come out from the hollow space of the drilling tools. You can see this way. This is different. This is BTA. Okay, these are some models show of the BTA drilling tools. You can choose this by your different requirements of the different drilling diameter of the hole. Okay, next is the third part of the today introduced, the working performance. And this is show the customer working side. Because the workpiece is very thick and heavy, so there need the professional lifting equipment to fix the workpiece on the machine. We can see that there is a worker and have to fix the workpiece on the machine. This picture is show that after drilling, worker put the pipes in the holes to make the pipeline of the heat exchanger. These are pipes will through this hose. And this is the performance of the drilling. We can see from this picture. It's very perfect, and also do the groove milling in the hole. You can see very clearly, and the mirror processing. These are some workpiece by the deep hole drilling. So This is the introduce of today. If you have interested of our machine, you can contact us at any time. Thank you. See you later.